So let's begin once again. First we are going to have the trophy for co-curricular activities, and this trophy would be awarded to the house who stands first, or I should say who achieves more first prizes in the co-curricular activities. And students must be knowing that for every activity there are points for the first, second, third and so on the positions, and those points are added at the end of every session. So accordingly the houses gets the awards. So first we are going to have the trophy for the co-curricular activities. I would like to request Principal Sir to please unveil the trophy and present it to the students. Students, see, it's a beautiful trophy, and every participant from every house should work hard to achieve this. So the next trophy we are going to have is for the academics, and this trophy would be awarded to the house who achieves most in academics. And we all know that without achieving good grades in every class, without being good in studies, the things are not much possible in future. So we want everybody to work hard, get good grades and make their houses also proud of it. So next we have is the trophy for academic. Principal Sir again to please unveil the trophy. So next very important field again, sports. Sports is such a field that everybody, anyone who practices as much as possible can have great achievements and raise it to the higher levels. We can start from the school levels, going to next state levels, national levels and so on. You can make us, teachers, parents, school, everybody proud, and especially when we are going to have the inter-house sports competitions, you can make your houses proud of it. So next we are going to introduce is the sports trophy. Is the trophy for overall best house. So as you can see, there are 3 trophies we are here with, introduced with. So any house who achieves at least 2 of them would surely be awarded as the best house of the session. So here we have overall best house trophy. I would like to request Sir to please unveil the trophy. What a grand trophy. Beautiful. So every student should work hard to achieve this. We belong to one family.
dear staff and students. So as you have seen, the 4 beautiful trophies presented in front of you, depending upon the performances in co-curricular, in sports, in academics, you people can get those 3 trophies. But the real beauty, it lies in the one right next to them, overall best house trophy. And I'm going to tell you the truth. Right now when I had the trophy in my hands, I had my goosebumps, I don't know. Rongte khade hona jisko bolte na. And I felt like crying with joy. Although I am not in any houses, all the houses belong to me, but still that holding that trophy, I don't know what kind of feeling it gave me right now. I really felt like crying with joy. So this is the feeling which you all must have when you're going to hold that trophy in the end of the session. And that trophy has to be earned. It is not a gift that we are going to give you. All of you have to work really hard in co-curricular activities, all the stage activities, let it be dance, let it be declamation, debate, singing, poetry, whatever. You have to work hard for your house so that you can achieve the co-curricular trophy. Accordingly, you have to play very well in all the games, all the inter-house sports competitions, so that you can get sports trophy for your house. And you have to study hard throughout the year and achieve good grades so that you can get that academics trophy. And then, based upon all this, all your performances in all these 3 walks of school education, you will win the overall best house trophy. It should be a dream of every student. In the school life, if you have any dream, it cannot be bigger than this dream which is lying in front of you. So have this image captured in your eyes and stored in your mind, that this is what we are going to work hard for throughout the year, so that my house wins this trophy and I am the proud one on the stage on the prize distribution day, holding this trophy with all my house teachers and housemaster. Will you do it? Yes, will you work hard? Yes, sir. Very good. So all those students who will work hard for their houses, this trophy will belong to them. And I would like to share with you, all the new students might not be knowing, but Rajendra House has won the overall best house trophy for the previous session. So previous Rajendra House master and the teachers, please come on the stage. And the house bearers of Rajendra House, if they are there, captains or vice captains, whoever were there, please hold this trophy once again with proud and feel the kind of feeling I was having. You can have it. Hold it and get it clicked. You deserve it. Clap for Rajendra House. कुछ आई वैसी feeling? So all of you, all the old students already have the houses. The new ones are going to be given houses very soon. And once you have been given the houses, put your best in each and every competition. We have inter-house competitions for all these 3 categories. Sports competitions, co-curricular competitions, and academic competition is always on throughout the year. So put your best for your house so that you can feel the moment of pride and joy at the end of the session, holding this overall best house trophy. Thank you very much.